Hello everyone, welcome back to Toy Time. Thank you to all of you guys who subscribe to our channel. We get so happy when we get new subscribers. Today we're going to draw a picture of Stitch from the movie Lilo and Stitch. He is one of my top favorite Disney characters, and I hope you guys also like this character and want to draw with us. But first, let's play a game. When you guys are coloring and you see this smiley face sticker on my hand, hurry up and subscribe to our channel to let us know that you are watching our video. Also remember to give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked the Lilo and Stitch video, how to draw Stitch. So are you guys ready? Here we go. Grab your markers and we're gonna start tracing Stitch. I'm gonna start tracing the head of Stitch. Right here is his hair. And then we're gonna make an oval, and that is his face. It's a sideways oval. The bottom is a little flattened. And then you connect all the way to the top to where the hair is sticking up. I'm gonna draw the area for his eyes. Remember, his eyes are outlined by a different color fur. So I'm gonna draw that. On each side, try to keep it symmetrical. If you need to fold the paper in half, you can do that and trace each side the same way. But the way you guys draw is gonna look amazing. Now we're gonna draw the eyes and the little shine of his eyes. The other side, it's almost like a sideways drop. Now the shine of his eyes and both eyebrows. Good job, guys, you're doing great. So now we're gonna draw his nose. Are you guys having fun coloring and drawing with us? Great, keep an eye out for the smiley face sticker on my hand, and when you see that, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. So now we're going to draw his mouth. It's just a closed mouth smile, typical of Stitch. Alright, and then the lower lip. Great job, everyone. Everybody's doing great. Now we're gonna go here to the side of the head and draw his long ears. And there is a little detail, a pink detail, the inside of his ears, so we're gonna draw those lines. Now the other side. This is another way to draw the ears. Now I'm gonna draw the outside and connect the lower line from the inside of the ear. Great job, everyone! So now let's draw his arms. The same as with his eyes, we try to keep it symmetrical as much as we can. There's no problem if it isn't, because that's the beauty of artwork. Right now I'm gonna draw his feet. You just do one circle inside of the other, one on each side of his arm. Right there, connect the body, close all the lines, and now you have Stitch. We're going to draw his nails, right? He has little claws, friendly claws, we must say. Great job! So now that we're done drawing, we're gonna start coloring. Grab your coloring pencils and let's go. We're gonna use the lightest shade of blue to do the lightest detail of Stitch's fur, which is around the eyes, his belly, under his mouth. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna put the camera in fast forward. Feel free to pause if you have to, but I just want to make sure we get all the coloring done. Here we go. Good job, everyone. Are you guys ready for today's shout out? We're gonna send a shout out to our new subscriber, Taylor. Good job, Taylor. Thank you so much for following our videos and for watching Toy Time and drawing and coloring with us. If you guys want a shout out on the future videos, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. Now we're gonna color his belly. it has a lighter shade of blue. So here we go. Make sure you color over and over and over to saturate that color. Make sure it's very bright. And now we're going to use a different shade of blue, and that is the main color of Stictch. Find the blue pencil that best matches Stitch's fur color. This is the one that I found. So we're gonna put the camera in fast forward again. Make sure that we're coloring and coloring and coloring. Here we go, the outside of the ears, the face, eventually the arms and the foot. So here we go. Good job everyone. Thank you so much for coloring with us and for watching our video and subscribing to our channel. Did you guys spot the smiling sticker on my hand? Did you guys subscribe to our channel? Thank you so much. So right here, sometimes if you have to outline a little, you can go ahead because you're gonna color everything over and over and the lines won't show eventually. Just make sure you color and saturate the paper with lots of the coloring pencil. You guys are doing amazing! Good job everyone! Thank you so much for joining our channel and being part of our channel. I really love posting videos for you all to draw. Ask all your friends to subscribe and also color with the whole family. Have your cousins, your siblings, mom and dad, everybody coloring with us. Great job! Okay guys, you're doing great. There's so much coloring with this color blue, but we're almost done coloring with this color and we're gonna move on to the next shade. Alright, great job everyone! So now that we're done coloring Stitch's fur, we're gonna color the irises of his eyes. He has black eyes, so get your black pencil and start coloring. Make sure to leave the little area where the shine of his eyes will appear. Good job everyone! I'm gonna use the black pencil just to lightly shade his nose because it is a darker shade of blue, which I will use a dark shade of blue, but still I want it to be a little darker than what I have. So I'm gonna mix the colors a little. You guys feel free to do the same or just color with the color that you want. Whatever shade of blue that you want. That's the color of Stitch's nose. It's a very dark blue, almost like a black. So here we go. I'm gonna mix these two colors together and hopefully I get the shade that I'm looking for. You guys feel free to do the same, or if you have the pencil in the exact color that you want, great, use that pencil up. Perfect, perfect. Now we're gonna use pink to color the inside of his ears. Here we go. I'm going to use a different shade of pink, a little darker, to outline the lower side of his ears, and I'm gonna blend the colors just like I did with the nose. You use it just on the lower side of Stitch's ear to add a little depth, and then you use the lighter shade of pink and color it over to blend those colors very well. Great job everyone! Now we're gonna color the other side. Same concept, we're gonna use the lighter shade of pink to color the whole ear, and then we're gonna use the dark shade of pink to color just the lower part to add a little depth into it, and then we'll blend the colors together. Great job everyone, we're almost done coloring Stitch from the movie Lilo and Stitch. How is your drawing coming along? I'm sure you guys are doing a beautiful job. Great job everyone. I am so proud of everyone that loves to color and draw here with our channel. Now I'm going to use the white pencil just to highlight his eyes, make it a little more defined, and also a little bit on the nostrils. Just a little bit, just so it defines a little better. And we are all done drawing Stitch from the movie Lilo and Stitch. Guys, I am so glad we got to post this video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our video. Give us a thumbs up also to let us know that you enjoyed drawing and coloring with us. subscribe, and I'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you so much for following and for drawing with Toy Toy Time. I'll see you next time.